Okay, so I log into my Bell account. I chat live. I decide to cancel the home phone, which I've literally never used in 2 years. And I'm canceling it. This chat live service is like, I'll be happy to cancel the service for you. No problem. And I'm thinking this is like super easy, right? Then I have to call this number apparently because it's a loyalty program. And of course, let's see what it says.
Bienvenue chez Bell. Pour le français, appuyez sur le 1. Please enter the 10-digit telephone number you're calling about. Thanks. Please choose one of the following 4 options. For billing and payments, press 1. For repair and technical support for any of your Bell services, press 2. To buy, change, or cancel your service, or if you're moving, press 3. For
So I just spent 10 minutes with Chat
buy a
Live
new Bell service, press
on the
1.
computer.
To move your
Now let's see
services
how long
to
it
a new
takes
address,
here.
press 2. To cancel your service, press 3. To modify your programming, this call may be recorded for quality purposes in accordance with our privacy policy available on bell.ca.
Hello, thank you for choosing Bell Loyalty. My name is Rob. How can I help?
Hi, Rob. How are you?
Yes, I'm very well. Thank you for asking. How can I help?
You're supposed to ask how I am. That's the polite thing to do.
Oh, okay. Sorry
Right?
about that. Yeah, how are you?
Common courtesy. Let's just start with that. I've been on chat with your customer service who I tried to cancel a service with, who was like, no problem, I'm canceling it for you. And then told me that I had to call you as well. Why aren't these two systems working together? Why can I not log in with my account and cancel a service and not have to call you people? So I'm not trying to be like rude. I'm just asking like a basic question. Like it seems like, you know, customers have better things to do than spend hours on customer service trying to cancel a service. It's annoying.
I guess, yeah, I understand. But to answer, yes, but to answer that, it could be, how the business works of Bell in order for us to ask the customer if there will be anything else we can do before, they move forward on their request.
Well, I think that
That might be one of the reasons.
when a customer is already logging into their account and canceling the service, that you shouldn't have to ask me if there's anything you can do. I've already reached the point where I don't want the service anymore. So now, like I said, it just seems redundant. Anyhow, listen. How do we get into my account? If I've already given you the number, what are the security questions you need? If any.
First is your complete name, account number, postal code, your birthday.
It's wow, all of those things you need to cancel my phone?
Yes, ma'am.
So, do you want a blood sample as well, or can I send that in the mail?
I just really need to ask that. It's as per CRT.
Well, that's a lot of information to be asking for me to cancel a service. This is why people don't cancel services, because you make us go through this sort of hoopla, and it's easier to just spend the $30 a month than to have to deal with canceling a service.
I agree with that. I can argue with that.
Okay, so listen,
The process.
what are the questions in order, and I can answer them in order, one at a time. First, the name on the account, yes?
Yeah, the name first.
Samantha Lauzon, Lauzon. Next question.
Your one bill account number.
249-855-383.
Got it. The postal code.
H7N2J2.
Lastly, birthday.
May 28th, 1977.
Awesome. Thank you so much, ma'am, for your cooperation. We're able to fully validate the account and pull up the right account as well.
Well, I should hope so.
Yeah, definitely. Samantha, I just want to ask a few questions as well. I already asked you too much, but it's just in case, just to ensure I was able to give you the best service I could give you right now and provide options if there will be any applicable. Yeah, is there anything to do about the pricing or about the service?
It's $30 a month and I'm not using it. It's that simple. It's $30 a month and I'm not using it. And even with the discounts that you've given me on my TV and internet, it's still not worth the price.
Are we pertaining about the home phone?
No, we're talking about laxatives. Yes, we're talking about the home phone.
Okay. Let me just check it for you. Do you have a cell phone?
Yes, I do.
I see. I see. Right, is it okay for you? Okay, I'm gonna check your request, try to do that, and at the same time, I'm gonna check any options as well. Okay?
There are, listen to me, my darling. Listen to me very closely.
Go ahead.
There are no options. I don't care who you have to talk to. By the time I get off this phone, that home phone will be canceled. Yes?
Yeah, that's why we're here to.
Okay. So there's no options. The option is to cancel the phone. That's it. That's all there is to it. It's really that simple.
Okay, let me check this one. Let me just check this one now. Okay?
Sure.
Yeah, hold on. Okay, you will not hear anything, okay?
That's fine.
Just work here in silence.
Sure.
I'm just right here, Samantha, okay? Just to give you an update.
Yep, I'm here.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
I mean, the least they could do is play really crappy elevator music.
So thank you for patiently waiting.
No problem.
Do we have the right email address?
Samantha Lozon at yahoo.com, yes.
Great. And can you tell me the cell phone number? We can send you text confirmation now.
No, I'm good. You can send an email confirmation. You don't need my cell number.
Okay, just one moment. Is there any, before I hit the final button for the removal of your home phone, let me ask, anything else that we can change your mind to, at least save the home phone?
No.
You have this number for a very long time.
And I've never used it. It's a no. No, thank you.
Okay. Okay, I understand. Okay, no, I'm waiting now for the confirmation number. Okay, that's the only thing. And it says here that we have successfully requested to remove the home phone. And it will not affect your TV and the internet service. Okay, it will be just the same. So basically, the charge for the home phone was taken out from your current billing.
Okay.
So that is 27.43.
Yep.
And now it became 121.90 right now without the charge for the home phone.
Perfect.
And it didn't affect the internet and the TV at all.
Perfect.
So the only thing here is that we just have to wait until the 18th of February so that our system will make your internet works without the home phone itself. Okay? It will be reprogrammed automatically by our system. No one needed to come into your house to remove anything in there, okay?
Awesome.
And I need you to write this down now. Ready?
I need to write something down?
Yes, ma'am. So that you could write down and be recorded the reference number.
Shoot.
Take your time.
Go ahead. I have a pen. Go.
I'll wait.
I said go ahead. I have a pen.
T as in Tango.
Yep.
Number 6.
Mm-hmm.
Number 3. W for whiskey.
Yep.
Number 2. Number 5. R as in Romeo. Number 4.
Okay.
Okay.
Yep.
And also, Ma'am, I just want to let you know that right now I also take a look here in our computer system recommendation. It seems that right now you're eligible to get our Crave movie package for free. So we're giving you a movie package for free for 12 months. It is the Crave. It is a combination of library channels of Showtime and HBO.
Okay.
Together, a video on demand. Every day it is changing, so you will have it for free. You just have to go to the home screen, look for the app. It says Crave. If you don't have it, just simply download it to Play Store or Google Play Store in your TV. Then the credentials is the same with the Bell website.
So the
So
same
username and
password,
the
same
password, yeah.
username.
You got it, and you will not be paying for any subscription to it, okay?
For 1 year.
And
And
it's gonna
what's...
take effect.
Sorry, go ahead.
Go ahead.
For 1
And
year...
it's gonna take effect for 1 year, starting the date that I have mentioned. Once it is programmed on the 18th of February, you can now start using that. Okay?
Okay, so February 18th, I can start using Crave. And how much does it go up to after 12 months?
Just $10 per each month. But on the February 18th, 2020, if you don't like it anymore, just simply call us back here and we will remove it for you. You
Awesome.
will also be notified on the billing. There will be something or a date showing up there when it will be ending.
Okay,
So that you will be notified for each month.
awesome.
So there, everything is all set. Thank you so much for your time, and in case you need the service again on the future, don't hesitate to call us back here, okay? We will help you get the service once again.
Thank you again.
Alrighty. Thank you, Samantha. I hope you have a wonderful day now.
You as well. Bye.
Alright, bye.
Okay, grateful to have Crave. Don't want to be a jerk about the fact that he gave me Crave. However, it literally just took 20 minutes to cancel my home phone. How does that make any sense? 20 minutes. And I feel bad because these people, when they're meant to try to get you to stay on and to sign up for longer things, but this is absolutely ridiculous. I should be able to log into my account and cancel the service. I should not have to talk for 10 minutes via chat service and then talk for 20 minutes. So I've just wasted 30 minutes of my day talking to customer service. Customers have better things to do in their lives than be online with customer service forever, whether it's on the phone or on an actual computer. So annoying. Anyhow, one of the reasons I didn't want to give my cell phone number was because I knew I was recording. I wasn't trying to be bitchy. I mean, I know I might have come off as bitchy, but, my patience level from the beginning to the end was a little, I'm just fucking saying. But yeah, it's ridiculous. I should be able to log in and cancel anything I want when I want. But very nice of them to take it off the bill, all that other good stuff. But still, yeah, not cute. Not cute, Belle. Not cute at all.